Happy birthday, MTU Maintenance Berlin-Brandenburg. I'm fascinated by the development of the site in the last 30 years. And you are a rock-solid site and deeply anchored in our growing MTU maintenance network. And a big thank you to you, our colleagues in Ludwigsfelde, for your excellent work, for top quality, and mostly for your passion to serve our customers according to our slogan, better every day.
Congratulations on the 30th anniversary of MTU Maintenance Berlin-Brandenburg. Here in Australia, we're very pleased to represent a company with some comprehensive strengths, great teamwork, ever positive working environment, high reputation and competence, and continuous achievements. May you continue the journey of success with pride. Happy birthday again from your friends and colleagues from MTU Australia.
Dear MTU friends, congratulations on 30 years of engine maintenance at Berlin-Brandenburg. Pratt & Whitney Canada is honored to have been part of your history from the early days. With nearly 5,000 engines serviced through your Ludwigsfelde facility, your people and your network has been an integral part of supporting our customers in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. Thank you very much.
Congratulations on 30th anniversary of MTU Maintenance Berlin-Brandenburg. 30 years of excellent service and industry support is an exceptional achievement. Congratulations again from your friends and colleagues at MTU Dallas.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, MTU, on reaching 30 years of excellence made in Brandenburg. As CSC, we're very proud and fortunate to be part of this success story, and we're looking forward to many more incredible milestones.
Hi, I'm Cal Reben, Vice President of Maintenance at Jazz. On behalf of the entire Jazz team, I'd like to congratulate MTU on their 30th anniversary. For over a decade now, we've been working with the professionals at MTU, and I'd like to particularly acknowledge the 31 professionals who have been with the company from the very beginning. Your dedication is what's helped build the company to what it is today. To all MTU employees, enjoy the day. It's something to be very proud of.
Congratulations, MTU Maintenance Berlin-Brandenburg, for your 30th anniversary. Us from MTU Maintenance Brazil hope to get there one day too. And remember, anytime, anywhere, we care.
On behalf of the GE team, I'd like to send my sincerest congratulations to the MTU Maintenance Berlin-Brandenburg organization. Our partnership with you is long-standing and continues to strengthen over time. MTU's capabilities and collaborative style have really made you an important partner on the CF34 program. The last year has been a tough one, as we all know, for our industry, and there is no time like the present for us to stay as close as possible as we all recover and support our customers' recovery. Again, we wish you all the best on this significant milestone and look forward to seeing you all in person very soon.
So hi everybody, it's Martin O'Neill at General Electric in our gas power business. I just really wanted to say congratulations, Andre, to you specifically and personally. Thank you for the great relationship that you've built with GE. I remember going to Ludwigsfelde for different reasons in an earlier part of my career, and I've watched the development of the sites and the systems and the people and the shop layouts and the passion, and it's impressive. It's impressive to see how Ludwigsfelde has developed. The last time I was there in 2019 with you. Congratulations on this huge milestone, and to 30 more years. Thank you for being a great partner.